YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to disable this function, over delay, on your Tecno phones, and this would work on other phones. And in our case, we have a W3 phone, so I'm going to power it on. Then, if I try to go to the gallery. Let me look for my gallery here. It will ask to, and I allow this. Then it's giving me something. Let me try to go back. This is the error we get. Screen over delay detected. So what we're going to do, you're going to go to settings. In this case, you can go to your settings from here. Then you go to apps. Then you go to this settings app. Then you go to this option. Then I want you to disable this. You disable that. Then after you try to go back to the gallery, still we get the same error, but the phone will pass the step. So I'm going to try to go ahead and go to File Manager. I accept. Then my File Manager will be able to work. So this will affect all apps in your phone. So in our case, we have now finished the process. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share, comment, like. Goodbye.